What is up, guys? Ninja Keeper here from Elo8888 Ninja Keeper Games, and Nathan's in here, as well. And we're doing a car show. Mind the invisible chest here. It's actually a glitch I'll talk to you guys about later, but here...
First generation.
Yeah. But here we have Country Babes, Sand King, right? Or no, Guardian.
Oh, you got the second car first.
Now that is a nice car. Ah, we got Mustang in his, what kind of car is this Mustang?
Oh shit, I love those cars.
69 Chevy Sidestep.
Nice.
Sidestep.
And Nathan, what kind of truck is this?
Bobcat.
And
I don't know, I just like it.
Bamfast, which one is your car?
This one right here.
And there's Chaos in his armored Kuruma.
My diesel armor Kuruma. See the black smoke?
And here's my El Camino. And there's Native in his Mini Cooper. Alright, now let's all make our way off the ramp. Oh, sorry, Mustang. Ah! Ah!
Mustang, they come in his Mustang.
Oh, fuck me, I'm stuck in this little hole.
Bro, won't let me in my truck. Why?
Yo, who's up there without a car?
Not me, but it wouldn't let me inside my truck.
Gotta take these corners slow, whoever's behind me. Holy shit. That's why. No. No.
Oh no!
I got hit by your car twice.
Donda estoy.
Where's he going?
Well, I'm just headed to my apartment.
Are we about to do a race or something?
No, we're just gonna hang out at my apartment real quick.
And I'll set up a race. I'll set up a race if y'all want.
No.
Let's do this video real quick, guys. And then we'll do a race.
I'm actually kind of recording right now.
Cameron, you want a race? Oh, Cameron left.
Ah, my leg.
Ryan, you can't catch me. Why you even try, sweetheart?
All right, everybody accept the invite that's in on your in-game phone.
Hold up, I gotta go get my truck.
Hey, are you listening to Still Dre? Never mind.
Yeah, I was.
Ninja, you're in the apartment right above mine.
Okay.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Is it just me or the kitchen's the only place where you can hear the music?
Yeah,
Just you.
I prefer the music not be heard in this game because it is copyrighted music, so... And I just realized that I'm going to have to put a copyright, well, not copyright thing, but yeah, no claiming of the
Dude,
music.
I never put a copyright thing on my videos. The only thing is I'm banned in Germany.
Yeah, well, you're about to be banned in America if you don't put, like, the, like, music is not yours thing in your description. Like, copyright disclaimer.
Yeah, no, but I've been going so far.
And then that would mean you and me would
Like, I
not be
don't
able to
post
have
a
this
full
channel.
song. Yeah, but I don't post a full song. I just use parts of it, right? That's good, right?
Well, even using parts of a song can land you a copyright strike.
Shit. Oh, here's the other radio.
Oh, my truck disappeared. Means I have to buy it again.
Just cocking a pistol back and forth.
It's actually a pump action shotgun.
Okay.
Well, lever shotgun.
Do you need it or what?
Huh?
Do you need it or what?
No, it's a Nerf gun.
Wait, you're messing with the Nerf gun?
Yes. Because I use those for video. I use those in videos sometimes.
Keep my Nerf gun? Keep my Nerf gun. I just done it to you, kids.
Alright,
They're not really kid friendly though.
well, I think it's about time for me to end the video because it's been 8 minutes since we started. Yeah, I tend to have my videos short.
Alright, I'm gonna start a race for y'all. Wait, yo, Cooper, do you have modded races?
In a town full of aliens.